What up, guys? Dallas here with another snazzy tech tip. And today we're going to be talking all about the HomePod. But before we get into it, remember that if you're going to like this content, if you find any informative value in it, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and ring the bell for notifications. That way, you'll always stay up to date when I post new videos. And if you can, please support me on my Patreon. Links are down in the description below. Anyway, this here's Apple's HomePod. It's a speaker. You can hook it up to your home's Wi-Fi. It's got tweeters and subwoofers. But what many people don't know is that it also has 6 microphones on the inside. And you can use it as a speakerphone, which is going to come in handy if you're like on a lot of speakerphone calls during these troubled times. So today, I'm going to show you how to use your HomePod as a speakerphone. Let's get started. So first, I've got my phone here. I'm just going to make a phone call. Alright, so while you're in the phone call, you just tap here, you tap on audio, and you can say, HomePod. Let's do HomePod. So you see that green light? That means the phone call is on the HomePod. So I'm just going to wait.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, cool.
Who's there?
Yeah, Mom, I'm doing this video for my channel. I'm telling people how to use a HomePod as a big phone.
Oh, okay.
So you see, guys, see this green light? That means the HomePod is on, and it's using it as a phone call, so it's going okay. And then what you do is, later on, when you're done, you can just hang up
Wait,
here.
don't hang up. I'm going to the store later. What Mountain Dew do you want?
Code Red. I don't care.
Well, what if they don't have it?
Well, then give me the blue one. Mom, I'm doing a video.
All right. Okay, love you.
Anyway, guys, that's it. That's how you make a phone call and use your HomePod as a speakerphone, and you can talk to whoever you want. That's it for me, guys. Remember, if you did like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, patronize, oh, and ring the bell. Anyway, that's going to be it for me, guys. Peace.